Okay, this is how I sharpen a saw. First I put a mark right here on both sides with the red permanent marker. Then I mark the tooth itself on top. That's even with the vise. That way everything's even. It's easier to keep your angle straight. Now what I do is I come in, and what you can do is you adjust it if you need to. If you're getting too much of a hook, then start pulling up a little bit. You know, your file has a lot of options. You can push back, you can come up, you can push down. So what you do is you adjust it if you need to. I tap off the file, helps keep the file clean. Once you get this going, it's no big deal. Just get right in there and do it. I tap after every tooth, just like that. Keeps her nice and clean. You don't have to press very hard. If you have a good file, you let the file do the work and then you don't wear it out. But this way, get in there. You always bring the tooth to that red mark. That way you're always in the same place. It makes it easy to get right in there. So, just be smooth. Don't try to take too much. Don't be afraid to take enough to get it really sharp, which you're trying to get up in that upper plate. Bring her around. Just like that. I need just a little more. And then what I do is that after I go through and do it once, then I come back gently. Go back here to my start. I come back gently and I just finish that off. Just like you were sharpening a knife, because you're going to just do the fine tune on it. And that's what makes it real sharp. Just like that. Don't press hardly at all. Just get through there and just finish it off real nice. That's how I do it. Seems to work, obviously. Okay, there it is. I'll do another one on doing the rakers here pretty soon.